In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal account on GitHub, step by step. GitHub is a fantastic platform for version control and collaboration. And getting started is a breeze. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll want to head over to the GitHub website, which can be accessed at github.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign up option or a button that says Create Your Free Account. Go ahead and give that a click. This will bring you to the registration page where you can begin the process of setting up your new GitHub account. Now, you'll need to fill in some essential details to get your account up and running. You'll need a unique username. This is how people will identify you on GitHub, so choose something memorable and representative of you or your work. Next, you'll enter your email address. Ensure that this is a valid and active email address, since it will be used for all account-related communication. After that, you'll need to create a password. GitHub recommends that your password be at least 15 characters long. Alternatively, you could use at least 8 characters provided it includes a mix of numbers and lowercase letters. Make sure to pick a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you have all this information filled out, the next step is to verify that you're not a robot. Sometimes this involves solving a simple puzzle, but don't worry, it's just a standard security check to protect the site from automated bots. After completing the verification, you can proceed by clicking Create Account. After you've successfully created your account, GitHub will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for this message. Within it, you'll find a link to verify your email address. Sometimes, you may also be asked to enter a code instead, so be prepared for that as well. This step is crucial to validate your account and activate it fully. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked some onboarding questions. These might include inquiries about the size of your team or the features you're interested in exploring. These questions are optional, so if you don't want to fill them out right away, you can skip this step and revisit it later. Lastly, and very importantly, it's strongly recommended to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for added security. 2FA adds an additional layer of protection by requiring a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone when logging in. This measure can protect your account against unauthorized access and is a wise choice for any online service. And there you have it. You've successfully created your personal GitHub account. With your new account set up, you can start exploring repositories, collaborating on projects, and using version control to manage your code more effectively. Happy coding!